magkaroon po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to please welcome Richard Reynoso and Rally Reynoso! Paano nabago ang buhay mo ng paminsan-minsan?
Well, it was my second hit.
It was, yes.
My first was Hindi Ko Kaya. So, syempre, yung paminsan-minsan legitimized my being a hit singer.
Let's go to your hit, Randy. Ano ang kwento ng White Camp?
You know, Tito Boy, don't really talk about the story. I was madly in love with this young girl. It went on for a while, only to find out that we're related. So hindi po pwede. You know, we come from a very conservative old family. And like, you know, like Romeo and Juliet, talagang pinag-iwalay kami.
The first hit song of Ding Dong Avanzado ay sinulat ni Randy.
Yes, Tatlong 25.
Tatlong 25.
Yeah, nanliligaw ako nun eh. So I was outside the university. Papalit ako ng barya for the Tatlong 25 pa nun eh.
Para makatawag.
Eh wala akong barya sa akin. Sige na, Ali, papalit mo ng barya. So, wala akong mabibili. Sige na po, miss ko na siya. And then Ding Dong was coming out. We were fresh from high school and I said, Rats, recording.
Members of Pundirana?
We were batchmates, we were classmates. Okay. And then I said, yeah, I think I have the perfect song for you. And I gave it to him. Ang fans ko dati ay mga Kolyala. Ngayon, mga nanay na
mga Kolyala.
Okay.
But the difference is, it was really organic, no? We really had a relationship with our fans.
Nanligaw ka sa isang fan?
That's one thing I never did.
You never did that? Ikaw, Richard?
Hindi po.
Hindi.
Hindi pa bawal po yan.
Mas gwapo, ikaw o si Rani?
Ako na lang siguro.
Mas matinig, ikaw o si Rani?
Si Rani.
Mas mayaman, ikaw o si Rani?
Si Rani.
Artista nang busted sa'yo?
Wala po.
Artista ang muntik mong maging girlfriend?
Late.
Wow!
Hindi mo muntik maging girlfriend, kundi nagka-interest ako, hindi ka.
Okay, at nanligaw ka talaga?
At one point.
Lights on, lights off?
Oh, lights on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Oh, definitely happiness.
Best time for happiness?
All the time.
Gusto kong maalala ng mga tao bilang
isang tao na nakapagpaligaya sila sa kanila at one point.
Singer, lover.
Lover.
Lamang mo kay Richard.
Mahirap naman yan.
O lamang na lang ni Richard sa'yo.
Lamang ko sa kanya si Muscle.
Yeah. Okay. Lamang ni Richard sa'yo.
Kangkang.
Gagawin mo ako ng kanta. Anong title? Show up.
Show up!
Lights on or lights off?
On!
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Every time.
Gusto kong maalala ng mga tao bilang
isang oring.
Oh!
Tito Boy, kanina bago ka umalis ng bahay, nung kausap mo yung salamin, anong sinabi sa'yo?
At, nung tinanong mo yun, lights on o lights off?
Oh. Always a joy to talk with Tito Boy. And pangarap rin namin, bawat artista pangarap yata ma-fast talk.
Yeah, makapag-guest dito. And ang tanong namin, bakit after 3 years, ngayon lang kami nakalabas dito?
But anyway, nice to be here.
Maraming salamat.